Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Snowy Rescue Cole from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the body. Let's draw a curve across at the top. Then angle it out on each side. Another small angle down and out. And one more angle going down. Now for the next part of the body, let's bring it down. Angle it back in. And then a line across at the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's move in and draw the face. At the bottom, let's draw 2 ovals for the eyes. And then let's add a curve across inside each one. Now for the pupils, let's add a curve down and back up. And color these both in black. Next, on top of each eye, let's draw the eyebrows. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve up. Then let's bring it up from each end. And a curve to close off each eyebrow. Now that we're done the eyes, let's hop down and draw the nose. At the bottom here, let's draw a rectangle across in the center. And color it in black. Then underneath, a small line down. And 2 angles underneath. Next, we're going to hop out, and underneath each eye, let's draw a bump up. One going out on each side. And then one more underneath. Now that we're done the face, let's hop up to the top and let's draw a curve in the center. Then from each end, let's curve it out. And a small curve back up. And then one more curve out to close off each side. Now that we're done the main part of the body, let's hop out and draw the ears. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a large circular curve out and back in. And the same thing on the right. And then inside, let's add a circle. Now top out, and on top of each ear, let's leave a gap and draw a small line up and a small circle on top. Next, on the top left here, we're going to draw the flag. Let's start with 2 long angles up. And close it off at the top. Now at the top here, let's draw a point out to the right and bring it back in. Now inside the flag, we're going to draw some small circles going around like this. And that's it for the flag. Now let's add the headband. On top of the head, let's draw a line across. And then let's angle it back down on each side. And with the left side, we're going to bring it behind the flag. And then one more angle down underneath each circle. And that's it for the top of the head. Lastly, let's hop to the bottom and draw the feet. Let's start with 2 angles underneath on the left and 2 on the right. And then close off the bottom of each one. And that's it for Snowy Rescue Cole. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!